Congratulations and thank you for thank you for trusting us with your name and email address. Again, my name is Eddie, Pastor Eddie. Listen, right now on my screen you can see a Bible text, and I would like to read this Bible text to you because it's very, very important, and it forms the basis of what we are going to be doing in this particular platform. So it's from Matthew chapter 5 verse 13 and 14. It says, "You are the salt of the earth. But if the salt loses its saltiness, how can it be made salty again? It's no longer good for anything except to be thrown out and trampled underfoot. You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Neither do people light a lamp and put it under a bowl. Instead, they put it on a stand, and it gives light to everyone in the house." So, my friend, you are the salt and the light of the world. The Bible says that you are a city set upon a hill. In other words, you are designed, you are destined to preserve, and you are destined to shine. Okay? So now I believe that one of the ways that we can actually influence and impact our world is if we sincerely find and hone in the skills in the area of our passion, the area of our interest, in the area of our talent, or talent, interest, and passion. I call it TIP, which is tip. If you can find exactly what your tip is, talent, interest, and passion, and serve the world with it, sincerely, you will be a happy person, or you'll be a happier person, and indeed, you will influence your world. Now look at people who have made a mark in their lives. There are people who have discovered one keen area, one keen interest, one keen area of talent or passion, and they've gone ahead to serve the world with it, and they have marked themselves out. So what I want to do on this platform is really to help you do a few things. One, to help you identify a core talent, a core interest, or a core passion of yours, and then help you develop it. And then go the extra mile to ensure that you earn an income from your talent, interest, and passion. I know so many people who are doing a day job who are not fulfilled. They're not fulfilled because they don't like what they do for a living. And yet they have this talent, they have this interest, they have this passion, but they just don't know how to convert that talent, interest, and passion into a profitable career. And that's what we're going to be doing on this platform. We want you happy. We want you fulfilled. So below this video, you're going to get below this video is another video from one of my proteges, where a gentleman I've had the privilege of mentoring over the years, and he's going to be talking to you about this particular platform. So get ready to have the joy of your life.